Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Cheesiest and welcome to Food Street. Today I'm going to show you a perfect recipe of baked pasta. How you can enjoy with your family and friends whenever you guys get together. This is something either you can serve it as an appetizer or as a main course. There is no harm in it either. Personally, whenever I have a guest get together at my place, I usually serve as an appetizer. But I'm going to show you both ways, which is exactly the same, but how would it place the appetizer. So let's get started. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. सो प्रोसेस को कंटिन्यू करते हैं. मैंने ये किया कि 2 पॉट ले लिए, अ बिगर वन एंड स्मॉलर वन. बिगर वन में जो है मैं पास्ता ऐड करूँगा अबाउट 2 to 3 कप्स. मैं एल्बो मैक्रोनी यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन इट्स टोटली अप टू यू कि आप कौन सा इसमें यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दैट्स एंटायरली अप टू यू. और इसके साथ साथ जैसे ये चला जाए, थोड़ा सा ऑलिव ऑयल मैं ड्रॉप कर दूंगा अबाउट अ टेबल स्पून, ताकि ये वो नहीं हो, जुड़े नहीं एक साथ. एंड फॉर दी अदर पार्ट मैं ये करूँगा कि एक अदद मैंने ब्रेस्ट फिले ले लिया उसका पीस, और इसको बॉयल होने के लिए रख देंगे. तो बॉयल चिकन में सबसे पहले मैं ये करूँगा कि एक अदद टेबल स्पून सॉल्ट ऐड करूँगा. I'll add the salt and 2 cloves of garlic जाएंगे इसके अंदर. So just a raw garlic इसके अंदर, and I'll dip it in. And for the pasta, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा स्टिर करूँगा ताकि ऑयल हर तरफ चला जाए और वो दोबारा एक साथ स्टिक नहीं हो. That's the whole point. And we'll let them boil for about 10 to 15 minutes जब तक ये कुक नहीं हो जाते. So our pasta is finally boiled and ready. चिकन भी रेडी हो चुकी है बॉयल होके, तो उसको मैंने श्रेड कर लिया था. So for the next step मैंने एक वॉक ले ली है और उसमें थोड़ा सा ऑयल स्प्रे करूँगा मैं, नॉट अ लॉट, जस्ट अ बिट. और चिकन को हम स्टिर फ्राई करेंगे. So this is the chicken जिसको मैंने श्रेड कर लिया था. I'm gonna add it into the bowl or into the wok rather. So चिकन को थोड़ा सा हिलाना है, एंड उसके बाद विल ऐड salt first. So half a teaspoon salt. So I would add half a teaspoon salt. I would also add red chili flakes, जो कि जाएगी 1 teaspoon instead. A tablespoon of black pepper ऐड करूँगा ताकि ये अच्छी स्पाइसी रहे. A tablespoon of soya sauce and a tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. You can add any chili garlic sauce. So about 2 to 3 minutes हो गए. As you can see कि ये सारी चीज़ें मिक्स हो चुकी हैं. Chicken looks great. तो मैं इसको रिमूव करके एक अदर बोल में या समथिंग में मैं डाल दूंगा, और नेक्स्ट अप उसके साथ वेज को मिक्स करेंगे, विच आई एम गोना शो यू इन अ मिनट. थोड़ा सा ऑयल ऐड करूँगा अबाउट अ टीस्पून और टेबल स्पून, ईदर वे इज़ फाइन. थोड़ा सा चॉप अनियन है जो इसमें I'll ऐड, और उसको लाइटली ब्राउन करना है, वेरी लाइटली. सो एज यू कैन सी प्याज जो हैं, जो आर डाइस अनियन, वो स्लाइटली ब्राउन होना शुरू हो गए. सो व्हाट आई एम गोना डू is again add the same masalas like half teaspoon of black pepper, then same quantity of red chili flakes as well, like a teaspoon, a bit of soya sauce, not too much, and again a bit of chili garlic sauce. That's good enough. I'll mix these. So next up मैंने स्मॉल cucumber को डाइस करके इस तरह वो कर लिया है. This is optional, totally up to you. If you like cucumber, you can add it. If you don't like, you don't need to add it. Totally up to you. I personally like it, so I'll mix it. So next up I will also add all these sweet peppers, जो कि मैंने small portion में डाइस कर लिया, and the capsicum as well. So I'm gonna add all of these too. तो उसको हम stir fry कर रहे हैं. इसको बेसिकली लाइटली सीजन करना है ताकि एवरीथिंग लुक्स गुड, और इसको roughly stir करना है for about just a minute or two, not more than that. Just to make it even healthier, fourth veggie I would add as a small chopped mushroom. जो कि white mushroom मैंने small chop की है, I'll add those as well. And I'm gonna mix everything now. So as you can see, our veggies are ready and mixed up. तो मैं इसको एक दफ़ा mix कर लूँगा मज़ीद और. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add our chicken ताकि ये mixed in हो जाए all together. And I'm gonna stir them for another minute or two, no more than that. So our veggies and chicken are ready and all mixed up. So for the next part हमने इसको bake करना है, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. So look at our chicken and veggies. They look stunning. They look beautiful. And next up हम ये करेंगे कि I'm gonna put it aside. And ये macaroni वाला लिया मैंने bowl. So इसको taste देने के लिए I will add about 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce again. इसको अच्छे से mix कर लूँगा. So I'm gonna add about. इसको smoothly करना है ताकि ये टूटे नहीं. That's the whole point. So for the next part आपने ये करना है कि कोई bowl या tray जो कि जिसमें bake कर सकें, baking safe हो, वो ले लें. So what I'm gonna do next is मैंने shredded mozzarella cheese लिए that I'm gonna add on top. And उसके ऊपर मैं add करूँगा our veggies and chicken on top. Sprinkle करना है और इसको हर एंगल पे, हर कोने पे डालना है. And it will taste amazing, will look amazing. So that's done, and on top of that I'm gonna add a bit more cheese on top. So just like that, and on top it's totally up to you. I would add once again just small swirl of chili garlic sauce, so just like that, and that should be enough. So that's our main course is done. For the next part I'm gonna show you how you can convert this same thing into an amazing appetizer. So this is perfect to serve as a starter, which is something I got from a dollar store. Just like that, just exactly what we did before. So again, we are finally ready and good to go. I have my toaster oven set up and ready. इसको हम 180 degree पे bake करेंगे for about 7 to 10 minutes. So सबसे पहले I'm gonna put the main course, and honestly this would turn out to be equally amazing and you would be surprised by the result. तो इसको मैंने ये कर लिया. I'm gonna set it up at 350 degree Fahrenheit, जो कि roughly about 180 degree होता है, for about 10 minutes. So it should be ready in 10 minutes, so I'll see you guys shortly. So our baked pasta is finally ready. It looks colorful, it looks very yummy, it looks very appealing. So this is how it looks. So this is the main course that we did. And like I said, this is the appetizer version of the same pasta that I have done. And I can't wait to give it a try. It smells incredible, smells yummy. And I'm gonna dig in. So let's give it a try. A bit of cheese, a bit of chicken, a bit of everything, plus a bit of pasta from the end. And let's give it a try. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Outstanding. It's very hot, it's very amazing, and I am 100% sure this is something you would love. You would fall in love with this type of pasta for sure. So give it a try, and I hope to see you in the next video, inshallah.